This thing looks so fucking beautiful. Thing sounds so mean. I love that whine. Got the little baby supercharger on there, you know, stock. But that thing sounds like a monster. Oh my goodness. Do like a little 50 pull. I'm gonna do a little 40 pull. Oh my goodness. Man, this thing rips. It's like one of the best cars I've owned. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, chat. This thing is beautiful. Let's turn some lights on in here so you guys can see. I'll do another 50 pull. Or let me downshift like just second gear. I'm gonna throw it in automatic and let it shift on its own. I was just playing with the paddle shifters. Paddle shifters. Okay. Ooh. Sheesh. Oh my goodness, chat. This thing is a monster. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more POVs. I would definitely keep doing more of these. Sorry I've been inactive on the channel. Just been real busy working. As you guys know, if you don't know, I'm a truck driver, so I'm working some really long hours, and it's like I barely have time to record, but we're gonna make it work, and we're gonna get to it. Because I definitely want to build this car. I want to push at least 1,000 horsepower. I still wanted to make it a streetable car. I don't want to, you know, I don't want this to be like no drag type of car. I want this to be a fully street car. I can drive it every day with a lot of power. So that's my plans for this thing, man. And we're going to get there. such a beautiful car, man. Oh my goodness. Hey, let me know if y'all want me to talk in the POVs. Just trying to try something different, you know, just testing some things out. So if y'all want me to yap in the POVs while I drive, let me know down in the comment section below. Kind of trying to be transparent, different, you know. I'll talk in some POVs, somehow, you know, just let the car do all the talking. So let me know what you guys prefer down in the comment section below. I'm indeed pulling up to work, so this POV drive has come to an end. If you guys enjoyed this one, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car POVs and just car stuff in general. Last pull. What the hell? Turn on y'all lights, bro. Like, why do people pull out with no lights on? Turn your lights on, goofy. Now they want to turn it on. Like it took me flashing my lights for them to turn on their lights. Like, oh my God. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know for more POVs. It's your boy 2X, I'm gone. I said 2X. It's your boy Fast Life, more 2X, I'm gone.